Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use Trust Wallet Swift and how it works. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So Trust Wallet Swift is simply a smart contract wallet revolutionizing through web interactions. So what it does is simply helps you through account abstraction. It simplifies complex processes like gas fee transaction and wallet security like biometric and passkeys. So now for the use of this particular wallet, it helps you enhance security with passkeys and biometric authentication. User friendly, it has interface designed for beginners and experienced users, less integration with the Trust Wallet ecosystem, commitment to decentralization and user control. Overall, Trust Wallet Swift is a powerful tool for anyone looking to explore the world of Web3 in a simple, secure, and efficient way. So that's why it is easy to use. So once you have got your wallet, you can make sure by going to your settings and checking out if it shows the Trust Wallet Swift icon. If it does not, you can make sure to create another one, and that way you will be able to access it. But anyways, it is simply for you to make your use easier on Trust Wallet. That is the feature. Make sure to study more if you would prefer. But that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.